These 5 businesses are losing over 200,000 naira to 1 million naira yearly, and the last one is spending over 1 million naira and still did not move to solar, which can save him money. Barbing salon. Barbing salon spend over 50,000 naira to 150,000 naira monthly on fuel. Thanks to clipper, chargeable clipper they are using, they have to depend on using light and owning fan for their customer. If they could have gone into solar, they will be saving up to like about 200,000 naira to 300,000 naira yearly, which is able to even pay their shop rent. Next, charging center. A charging center can spend up to 150,000 naira to 300,000 naira monthly on fuel. Because their business depend on light, if they could lose light for just 1 hour, they will lose customers and money. If they could have gone into solar, they will be saving up to 500,000 naira yearly. Some people charging center have moved to solar and save a lot of money, but solar does not just always save them free, or is a free light. They have to spend. Next, an hairdresser. An hairdresser spend up to 300,000 naira to 500,000 naira on their dryers and other tools they use in customers' hair and other things. We spend them this such amount of money. Without generator or light, they cannot use or do a work for customers. If they could have gone into solar, they will be saving up to like 600 to 800,000 naira yearly just to move on solar. Next, a restaurant. Some restaurants spend up to 500,000 naira to 800,000 naira monthly just to work on blenders, fridge, to cool their bread and drinks with other things needed in the shop. They spend this amount of money. Without the light, they will lose a lot of money, customers and food which they needed. And if they move into solar, they will be saving up to like 600,000 naira yearly. This last part is a bigger one, the one that needs light. Even if they lost light, they still lost also money and customers. A freezer company. A freezer company spend up to like 800,000 to 1 million naira monthly on fuel just to keep fish, meat, waters and other things to cool down. If they could have lost light, they will lose a lot of things. Not only will they lose customer, they lost also their product and customers at the same time, making them to lose a lot of money. If they could have gone into solar, they will save up to like 1 million naira annually. And not only will they use solar, they need a backup generator just to keep both working, because a freezer company needs much more. If you need to know more, please like and subscribe my video. See you next time.